I'm a monkey. Your argument's invalid. Cheeky monkey! So I kind of have like this new job where I now make video trailers for books that aren't published yet. What? So last week or 2 weeks ago or whenever it was, I posted that video trailer to Maureen Johnson's new book, The Name of the Star. I'm not joking, it's genuinely one of the best books I've ever read. Even if you don't like Maureen Johnson's other books, which, why don't you? They're amazing. Buy this one because it's amazing, it's totally different. It's about Jack the Ripper and death and paranormal activity and just, it's good. But after making that video, Maureen's agent kind of contacted me and say, hey, we liked what you're doing with that. Maybe you could make some more videos for us for our other books and we'll give you money for it. To which I was like, why are you laughing like a crazy man? What? £200? Yeah, why not? So currently I'm reading a book that is about steampunk and time travel and an owl and this weird canary mechanical thing that sits on your shoulder, and it's awesome and I don't know what it's called. But yeah, watch out for the trailer. I don't think there's anything else to discuss on this video. Nope. Not a thing. Bye! 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 Mwah!